next topic is structure of the atmosphere. The layer of the atmosphere are divided on the basis of the characteristics of the gases found at that height. Starting from the Earth's surface, atmosphere is divided into 5 major layers. These are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. So, troposphere is the primary layer that starts from the surface of the earth and extends up to the 8 to 15 km in height. It has around 80% of the mass of the atmosphere. It has almost all the weather phenomena like rainfalls, fog and hailstorm occurring in this layer. Next is stratosphere. Is the second layer above the troposphere that starts from where troposphere ends and extended up to 50 to 60 kilometers from Earth's surface. It has no clouds and the air is dry, containing very little moisture. It is most ideal for flying airplanes. It also contains a layer of ozone gas which protects us from the harmful radiation of the sun. The next is mesosphere. It is a third layer that starts from where stratospheres end and extend up to 95 to 120 kilometers from the Earth's surface. It is where most of the meteorites burn up upon entering. The next one is a thermosphere. It is a fourth layer that starts from where mesosphere ends and extends up to 400 km. It helps in radio transmission as the radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. The air in thermosphere is very thin and the temperature can get extremely hot here. In this layer, the temperature rises very rapidly with increase in height. The next is exosphere. It is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere and has very thin air. It starts from thermosphere and extends it till space. It is the last and the thinnest layer of the atmosphere. Light gases like helium and hydrogen float into the space from this layer. The next is weather and climate. The weather of a place is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time with regards to heat, sunshine, dryness, wind, rain, etc. in that area. And the climate is the average weather conditions of a place taken over a long period of time. So weather and climate of a place depend on many geographical factors such as height, temperature, air pressure, wind and moisture.